This week, the state banned food dyes and a pair of preservatives. The ban will go into effect first for food given to school children as part of the state's lunch program, with a wider ban then starting in 2028. NewsNation Now weekend anchor Anna Kooiman has been following this story. Anna, this is a big deal. What grabbed your attention about this ban?
Yeah, big news this week for sure.
Yeah.
In West Virginia, it's one of our nation's unhealthiest states by a number of metrics. So for them to be the first state to ban artificial food dyes used to make brightly colored cereals, drinks, and candies surprises a lot of public health advocates who are now celebrating this morning. Food activists point to research linking some dyes to hyperactivity and attention problems in some kids and potential links to cancer in laboratory animals. Critics also say in general, the bright colored dyes entice kids to eat more sugary, ultra-processed foods linked to obesity. Governor Patrick Morrisey, who signed this bill into law, points to West Virginia's high rates of obesity, heart disease, diabetes, and concerns for kids with ADHD. Governor Morrisey says he's proud to lead the way, echoing HHS Secretary RFK Jr., saying the state of our country's food supply is a national emergency.
We have to clean up the food. We really do. Let's start with no more dyes and dangerous additives in the schools. Studies show that can lead to issues with hormones and hyperactivity and learning challenges for kids and even cancer. Our kids deserve better, and now they're going to get it.
Well, American Beverage, which represents a lot of our nation's leading non-alcoholic beverage companies, is against the ban and says the proposal will dramatically limit consumer freedom of choice, also raise grocery prices, and impose costly new mandates on businesses. RFK appeared at that event you just saw there in West Virginia and applauded the state's lawmakers for passing this bill, despite what he calls a flood of critics threatening to destroy political careers.
And these companies are now, just like the tobacco companies were, are flooding into the offices of your state leaders and legislatures of the governor, and they're telling him he's making a big mistake.
He says there's a lot of parallels between the way tobacco companies used to work and big food companies today. Critics say the federal government has stalled action on regulating food dyes and other additives despite evidence of harmful effects. And now what we're witnessing, Hena, is states taking matters into their own hands.
So we know West Virginia is the first state to ban these dyes. Do we know if any other states want to follow suit?
Well, lawmakers in more than 20 states, from deep red West Virginia to liberal California, are to some degree making a bipartisan push right now to restrict access to the dyes. The good news for big food companies is that in many cases, they already have recipes for products under the same name because countries in the European Union, Australia, and Japan, for example, have already heavily restricted some food additives in more of a stringent fashion than what we have here in the United States.
I did notice RFK actually make fun of the governor's weight on stage, saying...
Oh, did he?
Yeah, he did. All right.
Thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.